Hey, happy holidays, everybody! For this week's holiday of gorging on food, I would like to share a poem reminding us just how important a role our very own bodies play in recycling. We recycle back to nature, and nature in turn recycles back to us. Now, I will forewarn you, most of my more barbaric friends absolutely understand this poem and find it very humorous. My more civilized friends, however, well, it goes like this. What could possibly fall out of our assholes other than that which we put in our mouths? Feeding fills the body, squeezing filters it out. The waste we mindlessly discard of, if we only knew, takes an interesting route. It will be flushed, forgotten, recycled, and eventually put back into our mouths. I call it, What's for Dinner? Thanks for listening, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving, and enjoy that shit.